Hello everyone, today we will be going to see how to use classify by color option in the XY selection. So now we will be going to open DXF file. Here you can see the file has lot of elements which has different colors. So now the file has been opened and you can see the profiles has different colors. Let's go for CAM environment wire. Here we'll be going to select at each terms. Cut P550 Pro machine. So once it is selected, let me confirm and let us go for XY selection. Here you can see we have a classifier by particular option, so I will not select this one. Let us select Windows action for the circle and confirm with the auto entry motion, and you can see all the elements has been created in one single geometry. So let us go for wizard process. To complete the entire process, let us go for selecting the cuts, and once it all done you can save the template with auto save template. So for coming wizard process you can use this process. Let us see now how to create by classify colors. What is the difference? I am creating a new toolpart with the same machine, and let us go for XY selection and let us select the checkbox called classify by color, and now just window section to select a contour. Once it done and justice, go for confirm. So you can see these geometries has been segregated in different groups in the form of colors. So once I click you can see that all the different geometries have been selected with the different colors. So let us see by symmetrical. I am selecting the geometries, so all the geometries have been done. To create a process I will just be using shift surfing them. Top geometry and link the total entire structure geometry, and I will be going for a wizard template to create a process. So this will create for all the geometries which are process. It will create for all the geometries which has been linked. Once it is done you can just click on the geo and unlink the geometries. Can find out the difference. One is with classify by color and one is without classify by color. This is the difference. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Thank you.